Madam Ramya and Madam Parimla, they have taken good initiative. They have taken all the works on their own. Ramya is new to this body, still she has done a very good job. Parimla Madam is very busy with the computer science engineering department. Still she has contributed a lot for this event. I would like to congratulate both the coordinators. We will give a big round of applause.